Ma'am,
Teacher. Yes, Satakshi.
final syllabus.
You will be getting it soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep studying all that we've done. All right, now all of you join your
Okay.
hands. Close your eyes. Let's say our prayers first. All of you join your hands. Arish, join your hands. Sit straight smartly and close your eyes, Myra. Sayansh, join your hands and close your eyes. Ashwar, our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you children. It's a cold, cold morning, but let's sit and study. All of you ready for your classes? Give me a thumbs up. Let me see the beautiful smiles. Myra is not happy. What happened, Myra? Myra's feeling a little sad. No, there I can see the beautiful smile. Okay. Abdul, smile. What happened? Yes. I like to see you all smiling. All of you should give me a nice smile early morning. Ashika, ready? Okay. So, we were doing the lesson learning at school. And now I'm in school. You can see your classroom. I'm in the classroom. I'm taking your class from here. Yes? You're happy you can see your classroom? I showed you everything the other day. Okay, Shanawar is giving a thumbs up. He's happy. All right, everybody is giving. That's good. So everybody is happy. Aditya, what happened? You're not smiling? Aditya, look in front. Look up at ma'am. I think there's some network problem. Aditya, the screen is frozen. All right. So let's continue with our lesson. Yesterday we were talking about school, all that you study in school, and I told you we do lot of things in school. We learn to read and write. We learn to draw and paint. We learn computers. We learn to play games. We learn good manners in school. Yes. And I told you one very important thing that you have to do is respect your teachers. Good morning, Ahmad. You have to respect your teachers. You have to obey them. You have to listen to them. Yes. Now you are going to tell me some of the things which you are not supposed to do in school.
Ma'am, read the page number.
Sayansh, we are on page number 61. Yesterday, I had told you some of the things that you should not be doing in your school, in your classroom. Now, one by one, you are going to tell me. Arish, tell me one thing that you should not do in school.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hania.
and which period?
Hania, this is second period social studies. Okay? Yes, Arish. Tell me one thing
Yes,
that we
ma'am.
should not do in school. एक चीज जो आपको स्कूल में नहीं करनी चाहिए बताइए.
Bad habits.
Bad habits, you mustn't follow bad habits. Okay. Alia, tell me one
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Any one thing that you must not do in school?
We learn to read
So
and write.
what you should not do? क्या आपको नहीं करना चाहिए?
Fight.
Fight. That's good. And yesterday we had learnt a new word in this lesson. Fight के लिए एक नया word मैंने read करा था और आपको बताया था. What is that word? What is that word? Who's going to tell me? I told you a new word yesterday.
Noise.
Okay, Taiba. Yes, Taiba. I can see your hand going up. Unmute
Ma'am,
yourself.
crawl.
Quarrel.
Ma'am, crawl.
Quarrel.
Crawl.
That is pronounced as quarrel. That word is pronounced as
Yes.
quarrel. We mustn't quarrel in
Crawl.
school with
Yes.
our class fellows, with our classmates. We must not quarrel. We must not fight. Children, all these new words that you come across, you must remember them. All right, all the new words you must remember. So that when you're talking in English to your friends or elders, you can make use of all the new words that you're coming across. This is how you will learn to speak in English. And you must make an
Use
effort to speak short sentences. Yes, Arjun?
मैम क्योर स्पेलिंग बता दीजिए
Quarrel. It is pronounced as quarrel. Say the word Arjun. Quarrel.
स्पेलिंग
First pronounce it. Quarrel. Arjun.
बोलो बेटा
Quarrel.
क्यू यू
Q-U-A. Arjun, repeat it. Q-U-A. Arjun, you have to repeat. Don't look at mummy. You look at me and concentrate.
क्यू
Q-U-A.
यू ए
Double R.
डबल आर
E-L.
ई एल
Quarrel. Okay, so we must not quarrel in school. Now, open to page number 61, all of you. Emma is feeling sleepy. Put your hand on your mouth. Okay, see, I caught you. You have to be very careful. Ma'am can see you. Alright, open to page 61, children. And we are going to begin reading today. Ahmad, come on, begin.
यस मैम
First, read the name of the lesson.
Why do we
Learning,
go to
learning at school.
learning at school?
Okay.
We go to school. We go to school to learn good things. We learn to read and write.
Okay, thank you,
We
Ahmad.
learn
Thank you, Ahmad. Myra, the next line. And all of you pay attention. Put your finger there in the books and follow.
we
Yes.
learn to solve sums.
Okay.
We draw and paint pictures.
Okay, thank you. Ishi, the next line.
Yes, ma'am. We learn about computers.
Okay,
We
thank you.
learn-
Aban, the next line.
Yes, ma'am. We learn to singing and dance.
Sing
We
and
learn
dance.
good.
Sing and dance.
Okay, ma'am. We learn good habits and
Read that
good
line
manners.
again. Read that line again, Aban. We learn to sing and dance.
We learn to sing and dance.
Okay, thank
We
you.
learn-
Ashwil, the next line. Quickly, Ashwil.
Yes, ma'am.
The next line. Come on, Ashwil, you have to pay attention.
Learn to
We learn good habits. We learn, Ashwil, we learn good habits. Ashwil,
good habits
and
and good
manners. Manners. Ashwil,
manners.
okay. Ashwil, you have to practice a lot of reading. Loud reading. घर पे आपको खूब practice करनी है reading की. Okay? Shanawa, the next line.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, continue. Who teaches us? You have to pay attention, Shanavar. Come on, who teaches us? All these things.
Who teaches us
All these things.
all these things?
Our teachers.
Our teachers
Teach us
teach us
all these things.
all these things.
Okay, thank you. Vikhyat, the next line.
Yes,
Shiv, you
ma'am.
have joined very late. We are on page number 61.
Yes, why they teach us good manners.
Okay, thank you. Sayansh,
Welcome, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
come on, read what is written in that purple box over there. Amazing fact.
We must
Obey
obey and respect
our
your
our teachers.
our teachers.
Okay, thank you. Turn the page, children. Abdul, begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Some good habits and manners.
Some good habits and
Come on.
manners. I can I I
I come to
can
school.
come to school on time.
Okay, thank you. Aditya, the next line.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, which page number? Yes, ma'am.
Page number 62. Yes, Aditya, the next line. I wear.
wear a proper school uniform.
Okay, thank you. Ashwika, the next
I
line.
wear. Yes, ma'am.
The next line.
I watch my teachers.
I wish my
I
teachers. Say,
I wish I do not make
I
the
wish my
noise.
teachers. Ashwika, I
I
wish.
wish my teachers.
Okay, thank you.
I do not
All right,
make the
thank you.
noise.
Ashwika, thank you. Parth, the next line. Parth, the next line. Unmute yourself, Parth. Quickly. Parth, we cannot hear you. Parth, we cannot hear you, child. I think there's some network problem. I cannot hear you. Okay, Hania, the next line. Hania.
I do not make a noise in the classroom.
Okay, Alia, did you hear? I do not make a noise in the classroom. हमने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था हम लोग कौन सी चीज़ें क्लास में हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए सो वी शुड नॉट मेक अ नॉइज ओके नेक्स्ट लाइन मानवी
Yes, ma'am.
कम ऑन रीड द नेक्स्ट लाइन
Ma'am, this line.
मानवी यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग इन द बुक आई शेयर माई थिंग्स विथ माई क्लासमेट्स पुट योर फिंगर देयर
I share my
Alia, put
things
your finger
with
there also.
you. I do not.
Okay, thank you, Manvi. Thank you,
Thank you,
Manvi.
ma'am.
Arjun, the next line.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the next line.
I do not dwell with my
Quarrel.
class.
Quarrel. That word is quarrel.
Toilet with
Quarrel
my
with my class fellows.
school class fellows.
Okay, thank
I
you. Thank you. Aradhya, the next line. Aradhya, the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
line.
I do not jump on the
I respect and obey my teachers. Aradhya,
Yes, ma'am.
I respect and obey my teachers. That line.
Yes.
Okay, next line. Taiba.
I do not jump on the desk and benches.
Okay, thank you. Mustafa, the last line.
Okay, ma'am. I keep many classrooms
My
neat
class, my
and
class.
clean.
I keep my class.
Classrooms neat and clean.
I keep my class neat and clean. Okay, thank you, children. Now come to page number 63. Page number 63. We have the fill in the blanks. Let's see who's going to answer the fill in the blanks. I go to school to dash good things. I go to school to dash good things. Satakshi, teach, learn, obey, time, wish. Which option will come here?
Love.
Learn. I go to school to learn good things. Okay, right there, Learn. All right, the next one. Bhavika, we are on page number 63. You have joined very late today, child. Page number 63, Bhavika. All right, the next one. Sakshi, our teachers dash us good manners. Our teachers dash us good manners. Which word will fit over there? कौन सा word आएगा वहाँ पे? Teachers हमें स्कूल में क्या करते हैं? Teach. Sakshi, Teach, teach. Unmute yourself and say, Sakshi, बोलो बेटे, teach. I cannot hear you, Sakshi. There's some network problem, I guess. All right, the next one. We must dash and respect our teachers. Shiv, we must dash and respect our teachers. वो blue words में से कौन सा word वहां पर आएगा, Shiv? We must dash and respect our teachers. हमें अपने teachers को obey. We must obey and respect our teachers. Obey. Obey. Yes, Myra, the last one. I come to school. I come to
I am
school.
complete. I have done my work, ma'am.
Myra, I come to school in dash.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay,
My
Aban.
time.
All right, Aban. Time. That's right, Myra. I come to school in time.
Ma'am, I have done.
Children, put over there, learn on that exercise. Put learn over there.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
Alish? Yeah. All
I
right.
have done.
Now, the next activity, thinking skills. Tick the activities you learn at school. Tick the activities that you learn at school. Okay? Now you have to put a tick on all the activities that you do in school. स्कूल में हम क्या क्या करते हैं? रीडिंग करते हैं. Put a tick on reading. Writing. Put a tick over there. Drawing and painting. Put a tick over there. Next is horse riding. Do we do horse riding in school? हम स्कूल में horse riding करते हैं? No. So put a cross there. Okay, put a cross there. Then games. Games, we play games. Yes, put a tick on that.
No.
Games नहीं खेलते हैं. We play games. Put a tick. Then baking. We learn to bake cakes. Do you bake cakes in school? No. So, put a cross there. Next, Acting?
Ma'am, reading.
Yes, you have to do reading.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, we can.
Ma'am, baking क्या होता है?
बेकिंग, केक बनाना जो हम बेक करते हैं अवन में, जो भी चीज़ें डाल के बनाते हैं, बिस्किट्स, कुकीज, केक्स, दैट्स कॉल्ड बेकिंग। अवन में जो डालकर हम बेक
Good
करते हैं।
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vikrant. You have joined quite late. The class is coming to an end now.
Ma'am,
All right,
which
children. We
which
are
book?
social studies book, page number 63. Yes, Vani, page number 63. Now, acting, cooking.
Ma'am.
Acting, cooking we don't do in school. So put a cross there. Come on the right hand side. Fighting, stealing. Stealing means chori karna. Do we do stealing in school? No, we don't learn to do stealing. Sewing, S-E-W-I-N-G, that is stitching, silai karna. S-E-W-I-N-G, that is silai karna. Okay, so cross. Solving sums, yes. Good manners, yes. Running, singing, operating computers, yes. Put a tick on all that. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, now put over there, learn all of you. With that, we come to
Ma'am,
the
I
end of your
have
class for
done.
today. Thank you. Take your break, then we'll meet again for maths.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, keep your registers ready, maths period.
Bye bye. Ma'am,